Guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. This is a time. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope that you guys are all safe and your family members are safe and blessed. जैसा कि आपको पता है, this reading is going to be a picker card reading, timeless picker card reading, which will help you know whether you should move on in life or should you hang on. Okay, so ऐसा कितनी बार लाइफ में होता है, हम we are working on certain things, maybe in relationship, maybe in projects, or maybe in pursuing a dream, a vision, a dream, and it just happens that we are confused, where is it not heading to, is it even leading somewhere, हमें कुछ रास्ता पता नहीं चल रहा है, कि ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे हमें रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. तो आखिर हमें करना क्या चाहिए? Should we just move on with all the experience that we have gained in this phase, pack it all up with us and move on, maybe use this experience there and we are going to get our results from that phase if we move on, or should we just persevere a little bit more so that we get our results? Maybe we are very close to getting results, so we do need this kind of guidance at times. So this reading is intended to help you get clarity to your situation, hopefully give you introduce you to the things that universe is doing for you at the backstage and you are not able to see, and that is probably building up a restless energy. तो आज के रीडिंग में हम यही देखने वाले हैं कि आपका क्या सिचुएशन है लाइफ में, और बैकस्टेज पे क्या हो रहा है, दुर्गा पीछे में क्या कर रही है, और आपको इस सिचुएशन में क्या करना चाहिए, और मेहनत करनी चाहिए या फिर आपको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये हम आज की रीडिंग में देखेंगे. होपफुली आपने अपना पाइल सेलेक्ट कर लिया होगा, एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द पाइल नंबर 1. तो ऑल द पीपल हु हैव चोजन द ब्राउन जैस्पर, या फिर उन्होंने ये मदर मेरी चूज किया है, देखते हैं कि क्या होने वाला है आपके सिचुएशन में, दुर्गा क्या बता रही है आपको. क्योंकि इसमें मदर मेरी का कार्ड है, एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और ओरेकल कार्ड है, दिस टॉक्स टू योर सोल. सो hopefully the guidance that Durga is going to give to us in this picker card reading is going to be something that will talk to your soul. Okay, तो having said that, let's start with the situation. आपके लाइफ में सिचुएशन क्या बिल्टअप है. तो आपके पास है नाइट ऑफ सोर्ड, और अभी आपके पास एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स है, which is beautiful. Sun is shining right there on you. Ace of Pentacle is also about opportunities, new opportunities coming in your life, financial abundance coming in your life, stability coming in your life, money flowing in. एक मनी ट्री का कार्ड होता है. However, यहाँ पे आप अनस्टक फील कर रहे हो. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप थोड़े कंफ्यूज्ड हो, थोड़े रेस्टलेस हो, किसी सिचुएशन में पड़ गए हो जिसका आंसर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई एग्जैक्टली यू आर हियर. ओके, सो होपफुली यू विल गेट योर आंसर. But when everything is fine in your life, I don't understand why is this feeling of unstuck. ऐसा क्या चीज़ है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो चलिए थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप बैक जाके देखते हैं कि आपने ये जो प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में जहाँ पे सन भी शाइन कर रहा है आपके लाइफ में, एंड एवरीथिंग लुक्स वेरी हैप्पी डैपी, एक फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी बनता हुआ दिख रहा है, सब चीज़ इट्स लाइक गोइंग इन अ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन. ये कहाँ से हुआ है? पास्ट में आपने काफ़ी मेहनत की है, किसी चीज़ में आपने बिल्कुल अपनी दिलो जान से किसी चीज़ को परस्यू किया है, और उसी का रिजल्ट आपको अभी मिल रहा है. द सन इज शाइनिंग इन योर लाइफ. इट कुड बी रिलेटेड टू विद अ रिलेशनशिप और अ करियर और एनी अदर थिंग दैट इज ऑन योर माइंड. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपने काफ़ी मेहनत की है किसी चीज़ पे, और उसी का रिजल्ट आपको आज मिल रहा है. बट ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि जैसे आपने जितना एक्सपेक्ट किया था रिजल्ट आपको मिलेगा, उतना रिजल्ट आपको लगता है कि आपको नहीं मिला है, और वहां से ही एक थोड़ा सा डिससेटिस्फैक्शन बनता हुआ सा दिख रहा है मुझे कार्ड्स में. एज इफ कि यहाँ पे आपके पीछे में एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा सन शाइन कर रहा है, एंड यू आर नॉट नोटिसिंग, इवन यू आर नॉट इवन पेइंग हीड टू दैट. आप जरा देख लो यहाँ पे, तो एक सनशाइन कर रहा है और यू आर लाइक मोर फोकस्ड ऑन द मनी पार्ट ऑफ इट कि ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि आप अपने लाइफ में थोड़ा ग्रैटिट्यूड मिस कर रहे हो फॉर वट एवर प्रोग्रेस यू हैव मेड इन योर लाइफ. तो मे बी यू हैड मोर एक्सपेक्टेशंस with whatever effort you have put in there, but I also see that you have made some solid, even if it seems very little progress, but you have made some solid progress in your life. You have made some very solid and एक फाउंडेशन आपने सेटअप किया है अपने लिए, वो मुझे लिख रहा है. क्योंकि ये पेंटिकल्स का कार्ड है. पेंटिकल्स कार्ड के साथ ग्रोथ हमेशा स्लो होता है, बट एक सॉलिड फाउंडेशन सेटअप होता है, जिसके कारण आप इस पे बिल्ड अप अ वेरी ब्राइट फ्यूचर, बिकॉज यू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशंस. इफ द फाउंडेशंस आर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, you run the risk of those foundation getting drowned and washed off any time. तो याद रखिए, फाउंडेशन बनाने में हमेशा टाइम लगता है, लेकिन स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशंस also give you the foundation on which you can build bigger dreams. So don't miss that, even if you are not able to appreciate the little success you are getting. But there are strong foundations being built also at the same time with the little success. तो शायद आप इसीलिए थोड़े अनस्टक फील कर रहे हो, समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करें नहीं करें. तो ये तो सिचुएशन है आपके लाइफ का. चलिए हम देख लेते हैं कि अब ओरेकल कार्ड्स में क्या आ रहा है. ऑलराइट, आपको बिलीव, इफ यू बिलीव आया है. ओके, सो इफ यू बिलीव का क्या मतलब है कि अगर आप एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. तो दुर्गा ने पावर ऑफ अटर्नी जो है आपके हाथ में डाल दी है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आप बिलीव कर सकते हो तो ऑल इज योर्स. the world is yours. But if you believe it's not, then nothing is yours. तो बोलते हैं ना कि मन के माने जीत और मन के माने हार. तो मन जो मान लेता है वही हमें मिलता है. तो whatever you believe, that is what it is. So the power is in your hands. Okay, एक और कार्ड जो आ रहा है आपका वो है एल्डर. मूव बियॉन्ड एंसेस्ट्रल पैटर्न्स. ओके, यहाँ पे देखिए. तो ये कार्ड आपको क्या बता रहा है? ये कार्ड एक बता रहा है कि एक तरह का पैटर्न है. इट्स लाइक अ पैटर्न that keeps coming in your life. Or maybe every time you move out of this pattern, but then again you are like, you get engulfed in this pattern once again. एक सेल्फ सैबोटैजिंग पैटर्न है, जो कि एक सेल्फ डाउट बोल सकते हैं, या फिर एक इस तरह का थिंकिंग पैटर्न है जहाँ पे आप अपने आप को डाउट करते हो और काफ़ी पॉजिटिव रखने का कोशिश करते हो. बट अगेन इट्स लाइक यू गेट बैक पुल्ड इनटू द व्हर्लपूल, क्योंकि ये एक एंसेस्ट्रल पैटर्न है. और सो इट मीन्स दैट व्हाटएवर दिस एक लिमिटिंग एनर्जी आपको फील हो रही है आपके लाइफ में सिचुएशन से रिलेटेड, वो आप बार बार फील करते हो. It's a pattern, it's a traditional pattern, and you will need to beat this because this is hampering your growth ahead. और ये कार्ड बहुत पावरफुल कार्ड है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपके एंसेस्टर्स आपको देख रहे हैं और आपका जो भी एक लिमिटिंग बिलीव होगा या फिर एक वोर्टेक्स में आप इनगल्फ हो जाते हो, एक सेल्फ डाउट और डेबिलिटेटिंग वोर्टेक्स में, वहाँ पे आपके एंसेस्टर्स आपको ब्लेस कर रहे हैं, वहाँ से हील कर रहे हैं और वो बोल रहे हैं कि वी विल गिव यू द स्ट्रेंथ टू हील दिस सिचुएशन एंड हेल्प यू मूव आउट ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, तो आपके लिए एक पॉजिटिव हेल्प आपके एंसेस्टर्स की तरफ से, डिवाइन की तरफ से, यानी कि इवन इफ यू डोंट सी द सिचुएशन वर्किंग फॉर यू, at the backstage your spiritual team is working to heal the situation for you. और क्या है आपके लिए? Bring a gentle touch. So आपके लिए gentle touch है, यानी कि so yeah, I see यहाँ पे 2 sword का कार्ड है, which means कि a lot of aggressive energy, a lot of in being into the mind and thinking from the mind. और मैंने आज ही कहीं पढ़ा है, डोंट प्ले द माइंड गेम ऑल द टाइम, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी टायरिंग टू प्ले द माइंड गेम ऑलवेज. ओके, सो at times we should just come out of our mind, our head, and just let things be the way it is. ठीक है, और आपका कार्ड आया है, एक पैशन का कार्ड आया है, विच इज़ लाइक आप जो एनर्जी अपना एक सेल्फ डिफीटिंग थॉट्स जो आपके दिमाग में आता है, अपनी एनर्जी आप उसके तरफ मत डालिए, अपना एनर्जी आप अपने पैशन में डालिए. पुट ऑल योर पैशन इनटू समथिंग जो आपके लाइफ में प्रेजेंट है. अपना पैशन, अपना फोकस, अपना एनर्जी आप अपने लाइफ में जो भी है उस पर डालिए, ताकि ये जो अबंडेंस आपके लाइफ में आ रहा है आप उसको अच्छे से कैपिटलाइज कर पाओ. ठीक है, अगर आप if you will get scattered at this point in time, or if you feel confused, then you will quite possibly miss the opportunities, and at the same time maybe you are not able to capitalize on the opportunities at all. So now is the time to put your whole focus on the something that you're working on, or something that is on your mind. It's time for prayers and contemplation. It's time for a gentle touch. Okay, come out of your mind and not think too much of negative thinkings, and just bring in gratitude. क्योंकि यहाँ पे prayer है और contemplation है, इसका मतलब है कि just look back and see from where you started and what you have built yourself up, how you have built things up for you, and just give yourself a pat on the back for the how far you have come. Contemplate that, say thank you, bring in gratitude, because that is what I guess is missing. If you appreciate whatever you have got in life, created in life, how far you have come, then you will be able to really expand this abundance in your life. Life force energy आपका आया है. Express your driving passion, sensual and sexual powers are increased. तो आप इस पॉइंट पे ना, एक तो आपके लाइफ में न्यू एनर्जी आ रही है, एक अबंडेंस आ रहा है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही है, और आपका अपना एनर्जी क्या है, इट्स वेरी पैशनेट. इट्स यानी कि यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी विद इन. यू फील दैट यू वांट टू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स. देयर इज अ सेक्सुअल एनर्जी एज वेल, एंड देयर इज अ सेंसुअल एनर्जी, एंड देयर इज अ पैशनेट एनर्जी. सो देयर इज समथिंग दैट इज ब्रूइंग अप इनसाइड which needs a creative outlet. You understand? And that is why your card is She-Wolf. You need to bring your hidden self out into the world. You need to bring your authentic self out into the world, because that is how you are meant. That is how the things are meant to be for you. Through being your authentic self, by not by hiding yourself. तो आप एक शी वुल्फ हो, यानी कि काफी पैशनेट एनर्जी और एक क्रिएटिव एनर्जी आपके अंदर फ्लो करता है, and you hide that, and you need to channel all these energy out into your creative project or your relationship creatively or whatever, but you need to bring it out in a very creative fashion. You don't have to hide that. इसीलिए शायद एक बिल्ट अप रेस्टलेसनेस है इस कार्ड में, क्योंकि आप अपने आप को you are trying to be somebody who you are not, and when you try to be that, what happens, you become like little frustrated and you become little restless, और हम एक rigid stand ले लेते हैं लाइफ में, and that is why your guidance is also a gentle touch. Okay, but when you are flowing with life, then only you can be in this gentle touch. But when there is obstructions, when you are stopping yourself from being something, then you are kind of a rigid stand in life, right? And therefore your guidance is be yourself, let the creative energy flow in the right direction, channel it in a proper way, in a way that it serves you, not in a way that it harms you. If you believe you can make it work, and unleash your passionate side, unleash your wild side, creative side, let the world see what you are, that kind of a thing. तो ये आपका गाइडेंस है. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि you have to leave the situation, whatever is on your mind, things are happening for you even if you are not seeing it. Okay, and you need to bring in a little gratitude in your life, because यहाँ पे कार्ड जो आपने चूज किया है वो ओशंस ऑफ रीबर्थ है. यानी कि रीबर्थ का मतलब क्या है कि मे बी समथिंग यू फील इज डेड इन योर लाइफ, लाइक द सिचुएशन इज काइंड ऑफ रनिंग आउट ऑफ लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी, उसमें लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी नहीं है, बट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली इट विल राइज, इट विल रीबर्थ लाइक अ फीनिक्स. Okay, so your guidance is definitely not to give up on the situation. Your guidance is that you can create whatever you want. If you believe you can create it, if you You know, you have been given the power, the power of attorney by the universe, and the universe is working behind the scene, even if you don't see. Now let's see the mother guidance 28. I'll read it from the guidebook ताकि आपको I'll read this one paragraph for you so that you get a deep insight, something that talks to your soul, guys. I champion your growth always. So it's all about growth. You know, your mind is on growth. You expected certain kind of a growth and you didn't got that kind of a growth, and you are like, you know, growth is not happening. But as I showed you the card, the growth is happening, and maybe you don't see it. Maybe it is little small progress which you are not able to see. But sun is shining in your life, and you need to just turn your head back and see that what a beautiful sun it is. So let's see this. I champion your growth always. माँ दुर्गे हमेशा आपका growth ही चाहती हैं. I know which hard edges are best to be softened, and when it is time for you to receive reward for efforts made. So you're putting in a lot of effort, as I had told you. Allow me to help you release a karmic pattern. तो हमने एक पैटर्न का भी बात किया है यहाँ पे कि आप बार बार उसमें engulf हो जाते हो. So that you can now be reborn into new consciousness. So something is working at a karmic level. एक karmic debt आप बोल सकते हैं कि आप release कर रहे हैं. और एक karmic debt definitely एक heavy energy होती है जिसको आप release करने में आपको, you know, even if you feel that you are working a lot, you feel that ये सारा मेहनत कहीं evaporate हो जा रहा है. ये evaporate कहाँ पे हो रहा है? वो karmic healing में जा रहा है. You know, this karmic debt, it is going in for debt. इसीलिए आपको लगता है कि मुझे तो इतना मेहनत किया था मैंने, मुझे तो रिजल्ट्स मिलना चाहिए, लेकिन वो कहाँ चला जा रहा है? वो हमारे डेट को पे करने में चला जा रहा है. अब डेट पे होगा, उसके बाद ही हम उसका रिजल्ट्स देख लेंगे. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इज इट कमिंग फ्रॉम. ब्यूटिफुल. Allow me to help you heal your life from inside, that the outside may change and reflect your inner beauty and spiritual light. I am bringing you assistance now. So you are getting help. Durga is working behind the scene. Universe is working behind the scene to help you, but you cannot see that. We all can't see that. I am bringing you assistance for now, that a force beyond your control may be softened and your successful growth is assured. So you don't have to leave the situation because you are the creator. You have the power. Okay? तो दुर्गा ने आपके हाथ में ही पावर नहीं दिया है, बल्कि वो पीछे से काम भी कर रही है आपको हेल्प करने में, एक हीलिंग करने में, एंड देन फाउंडेशन बीइंग सेट, एंड देन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग legacy being created on strong foundation. So that is all the guidance I have for pile number 1. यहाँ पे अगर देखो तो ब्राउन जैस्पर है. ब्राउन जैस्पर इज ऑल अबाउट ग्राउंडिंग, स्टेबिलिटी, सिक्योरिटी, फाउंडेशन, और वही आपके लाइफ में अभी हो भी रहा है. तो आप थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए. थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग बैक स्टेज, प्रोबेबली यू डोंट सी इट, बट इट इज हैपनिंग. Okay, so that is all the guidance I have for all the pile number 1. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If it helps you, if it resonates, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye for now. So pile number 2, let's get started with your guidance. So if you have chosen amethyst, let's see what is your situation like and what is Durga's guidance for your situation, whether you should hang on or whether you should move on. तो आपका है the Lady of Quiet Blossoming. I will read this card at the end of the reading to bring the whole reading full circle. लेकिन यहाँ पे quite blossoming है. इसका मतलब है कि there is something that is blossoming behind the scene at a slow pace which you are not able to see because it is a quiet blossoming. कुछ बहुत ही चुपचाप blossom कर रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, पर आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है. तो अब देखेंगे कि क्या आपकी क्या एनर्जी है. तो let's start with the tarot first. Okay, तो आपका कार्ड to start with 9 of cups है. तो 9 of cups इसका मतलब कि लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज गुड, यू आर ब्लेस्ड एंड एवरीथिंग इज हैप्पी डैपी. टू सी दिस लेडी इज ऑन अ वेकेशन है, और इसके पास इतने सारे, ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये सब ट्रॉफी है जो इसने अपने लाइफ में अर्न किया है. I mean, she has worked on it and she has earned it, and now she is sitting nicely. एक शी इज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू समथिंग एल्स, ऐसा लग रहा है। तो आप क्वाइट पॉसिबली अपने इस लाइफ में ऐसा फील हो रहा है जैसे कि ये जितना भी लॉरल्स आपने अचीव किया था लाइफ में, इतना अचीवमेंट किया है, इसके तरफ आप नहीं देख रहे हो। इसका मतलब है कि यू आर नॉट यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू समथिंग मोर इन लाइफ। ये सारा चीज अचीव किया है, इट इज गुड, बट यू आर क्रेविंग फॉर समथिंग मोर इन लाइफ। क्वाइट पॉसिबली यू आर क्रेविंग फॉर सम पीस, inner fulfillment kind of a thing is what I'm getting from the cards, because यहाँ पे आप काफी meditative state में हो। Yeah, it's more like you are deep into your thoughts, looking for some peace in your life, looking for some meaning into your life, looking for some higher purpose in life, moving away from a little earthy materialistic world and taking a high road, ऐसा करके मुझे लग रहा है। और ये एनर्जी आपकी पास्ट की है। तो this is what you are craving, you have been craving for in your life, a deeper meaning to your life। अभी प्रेजेंट का सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि आपने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर मीनिंग टू योर लाइफ। यू आर डन विथ ऑल द सक्सेस दैट यू हैड गॉट एंड ऑल द ट्रॉफीज दैट यू हैव गॉट एंड ऑल दैट। तो अभी क्या है कि आप मैजिशियन में उल्टे हो, यानी कि यू आर नॉट इन टच विथ योर मिडास टच। you are this magician who is a master manifester। वो जो चाहता है वो स्विश ऑफ वॉन्ड से अपने लिए हासिल कर सकता है, बिकॉज बेसिकली ही इज वेरी गुड एट यूजिंग हिज माइंड, यूजिंग हिज फिजिकल पावर, यूजिंग हिज इमोशंस। काफ़ी मेच्योर होता है, काफ़ी दिमाग से भी तेज होता है, काफ़ी वेरी गुड विथ फिजिकल वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो। सो ही इज द मास्टर ऑफ ऑल द 4 elements, but he is quite not in touch with his magical powers। तो वहाँ पे एक उसको ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि क्यों लाइफ में मिसिंग, क्या मिसिंग है, कुछ उसके लाइफ में मिसिंग है। एंड वी ऑलरेडी नो कि आप अपने लाइफ में थोड़ा एक हायर पर्पस ऑलरेडी सीख कर रहे थे, और शायद अभी भी जो आप सीख कर रहे हो वो आपको नहीं मिला है, इसीलिए आप थोड़े से डिस्कनेक्टेड फील कर रहे हो अपने आप से और शायद अपने आसपास के एनवायरनमेंट से भी। आई थिंक देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ समथिंग दैट इज योर हार्ट सेंटर इज समथिंग दैट इज रियली टेकिंग योर प्लेस। क्योंकि ये जो हार्ट सेंटर में यहाँ पे जो लाइट है, ये इट्स लाइक योर हार्ट सेंटर is craving something, लब डब ऐसा हो रहा है, उसको कुछ चाहिए है, seeking something deep for peace and inner fulfillment। और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि there is I'm not getting what I am wanting, क्योंकि आपने अपना सर्च जो है for higher purpose, deep meaning to your life, आपने काफी पहले से स्टार्ट किया है, अभी भी आपको वो मिला नहीं है, थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्टेड फील कर रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सर्च नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, एंड यू फील दैट यू विल नॉट गेट व्हाट यू वांट। ठीक है, इस तरह का आपको फीलिंग हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये कार्ड जो है आपका उल्टा है। बट दिस इज योर सिचुएशन इन योर लाइफ। अब हम देखते हैं कि ब्लेसिंग्स क्या आ रहा है माँ दुर्गे से आपका। तो ये कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से टाई हो जाता है कि इवन इफ यू आर फीलिंग डिस्कनेक्टेड एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग डीपर इन योर लाइफ एंड यू फील दैट you are not getting it, it's not that you are not getting it, it's just that the things are blossoming for you quietly। okay, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हो नहीं रहा है, because universe always works for us। और what better cards to prove that, to support that। तो ये आपका abundance है। आप seasonal harvest, this is what is coming for you guys। इतना सारा harvest, you are literally sitting in your beautiful abundant garden sowing your harvest। So this is what universe is getting for you। So have a heart, okay, have a heart, be a little patient, because universe is working behind the scene। If you felt drawn to the first pile, then I think you should check that out, because it had the same element। It had the same element। water guardian connect with your इमोशंस. यहाँ पे है कनेक्ट विथ योर इमोशंस. और इमोशंस आपके कहाँ से आते हैं? आपके हार्ट से आते हैं. और मैंने आपको क्या बोला कि आपका हार्ट सेंटर, जो मैंने बोला कि हार्ट सेंटर मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है आपका, एज इफ कि योर फोकस इज ऑन हार्ट सेंटर. Okay, but now that you have the guidance from Durga, who is telling you that she is working behind the scenes to grow your garden, आपका जो हार्वेस्ट गार्डन है जो आपको चाहिए है, उस पे काम चल रहा है, यूनिवर्स काम कर रहा है. ओके, सो हैव अ हार्ट एंड go and connect with your heart. Okay, get connected with your heart, feel the emotions running back again, connect with your heart center, because things are happening for you. You are never alone. Exactly, you are not alone. जैसा मैंने बोला आपको कि यूनिवर्स आपके लिए काम कर रहा है. It's not you don't have to feel disconnected. जो है ना, एक आप अपने environment से disconnected feel कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप से disconnected feel कर रहे हो. You have this Midas touch that you feel you are missing in your life, but you don't have to feel disconnected. We all are connected, and more importantly, Durga and the universe is seeing you, seeing your situation, and is working for you. Things are happening for you, so don't feel that you are ever alone in your life. Okay, so connect. You are feeling this disconnect because you are not listening to your heart, and you need to get back to your heart center and feel your emotions, and then only you will feel connected. Connect with your heart, and through your connection with heart, you connect with the divine power. Focused intention है यहाँ पे. Think about what you desire, set your standards high, expect the best possible outcome, because universe is working, Durga is working. So don't have to feel कि मैं disconnected feel कर रहा हूँ. The higher purpose or higher deeper meaning that you are seeking in your life is on the way. So focus on what you want and not on the disconnection. And do you have to leave your situation? No, you don't have to leave your situation, because things are happening for you. Okay, all right. Wow, you got a yes card. This is beautiful. So whatever your question is, it's a big yes from the universe, guys. It's a big yes. And the angels are like, wow, whatever you ask, yes, yes, yes. So whatever your question is, the answer is big yes. Whatever you want, deeper meaning to life, it's coming. Be open to healing information. You know, something, it's more like you have to be open to receiving. You have to be open to receiving. Again, here is just like pile number 1, there is a pattern here. Connect to your lineage. A family wound or a pattern is healing. Just like the pile number 1, as I told that it is resonating with the pile number 1. Here a pattern is being healed, and whenever a deep-seated pattern is being healed, it could be from your past or it could be from the past life as well. You know, the ancestors are involved here, and when these ancestors are involved, and even if the past life link comes in, then there is a karmic debt that is involved. And that's why no matter how much, and that's why there is a lot of wait, there is a lot of long waiting period, because the debt is getting paid. We are paying the debt. So once that is healed, once we heal ourselves, then it's then that you will start seeing the results in your life. Okay, so you don't have to worry, because your ancestors are helping you heal the past wounds. Okay, and your answer is yes. Do you remember that? Medicine guardians, to open a healing information. With medicine here, I wonder if you guys are going through some physical problems also. You need to take care of yourself, allow healing. I think you need to come out of your head and not think too much. You also have got this card of connect with the earth. Okay, so connecting with earth, nature, to vent up your inbuilt energy, to ground your inbuilt energy. is going to really help you. For some of you, you have got the connect with your womb. So there is this connect, this one thing that is coming strongly in your reading is that you are missing the connection within, and the connection with your surrounding, and the connection with the divine. And that's why you feel you're so alone and you have to do everything all alone. And what you need to do is that you're losing touch with the heart center, and you need to go back to your heart center where you will feel safe. You'll feel like, you have to go to your womb, connect with your womb. What happens in the womb? In the womb, the baby feels very protected from the world. Okay? So you need to get touch with your womb, and there you will feel the belongingness through that umbilical cord, and you will feel that you are connected with the universe, and the universe is helping you, because quietly blossoming, your harvests are coming in. But because you are disconnected, you are not able to see what is it all happening, and you feel so alone. So connect to your heart center, connect with your womb, and that's how you connect with yourself, people around, and more importantly, the divine source. Alright, now let's read this card for you guys and see what is the guidance coming in. 21. I hear the inaudible. So you are not talking, but Durga is listening to all your prayers, all your hurt. See the invisible and feel the intangible. So you are something, you're holding yourself up, And I told you, you need to go and connect with the nature and the trees, hug and vent all your bottled up feelings. But even if when you are not sharing, Ma Durga is listening to all your invisible, inaudible and intangible feelings. I sense the sign of growth before you can do so, beloved. So believe me now as I say to you, you are growing, and you must trust, for the seed needs all its strength to push up into weighty soil that provides nourishment. It must find its way with absolute intent. Even with the most loving gardener tending to it, great focus is required for the seed to burst open so that the plant may grow. So your seeds are growing. Ma Durga is doing that, but you need to think about what you want and not feel that you will not get it, because things are happening for you guys. Okay, so just connect with your heart center and make a wish, and your wish will be granted. It's working out. So that is all the guidance I have for pile number 2, amethyst. Amethyst stone is about feeling protected, no? And the universe is protecting you. Try these amethyst stones. You will feel protected, and you will feel blessed. You will feel that you're connected with the source. So that is all the guidance, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again. Like, share and subscribe if it helps you. Take care. Bye for now. Hey, pile number 3, let's get started with your reading, guys. So if you have chosen the red jasper or this Mother Mary, the Lady of Blessing Bestowed, let's see what is your guidance. Okay, so this is the card that I'm going to read at the end of the reading and bring the whole reading full circle. First, let's get started with the situation in your life. And you got the 4 of Swords in reverse, which means that you have been, in the past, you were stressing over something a lot. You were too much into your head, worried about a situation, and you tried coming out of it, okay? But you worried about a situation a lot. I think it's related with some kind of Page of Pentacles. So you were worried about maybe, something related with job, business, money, finance, stability. But with this Page of Pentacles card, I see that things are happening for you guys. But because it is a Pentacles card, with Pentacles energy, the growth is often very slow, but it is very solid. It is at a very grassroots level. So whatever you are creating is damn solid. It will sustain the storm. Okay, but this is also at a very grassroots level. So quite possibly you don't see the growth happening. but probably the kind of growth you expected were not what you got, and you are like considering changing something. You are looking forward, you are seriously contemplating changing your situation. You want to go away from where you are. You feel that this situation is not serving you and probably you should move from here. You're really looking forward to going out of the situation. And you got the Temperance card in reverse. Now, Temperance card in reverse is all about with the Temperance card in reverse, I feel that there is a lot of impatient and things not happening, and maybe there is an extreme energy here. It's been like listening to your inner call and trying to understand what your heart is trying to tell you. There is a growing impatience in your life. You feel that there will be no balance restored. That is what you are feeling. Let's see what is your guidance coming up. Okay, so your situation is going to improve. It could be a health related, you are worried about somebody's health. Then the health situation is improving definitely, because it's improving health. So maybe you are worried about the health of your loved one, and the health looks like is going to improve. Okay, trusting the heaven. Yes, exactly. So things have been really difficult at your end, and it's been very trying to trust the situation that it will improve, but things are going to improve is your guidance. And you have got the Archangel Michael, and Archangel Michael is one who protects us, right? And you got improving health. So don't worry, trust the process. Okay, trust the process. Trust the heavens that they are protecting you, blessing you, and you are safe. Angels stand close to you. Surrender your concerns and allow the miracle to occur. So even though the situation probably seems hopeless, you have no hope or faith attached to the situation, you think that it will not work out, your angels are supporting you. Okay, and you have the card of blossoming, of blessing bestowed. So blessings will be there, as it looks like. An archangel is protecting the health or anybody you are really worried about. Open communication. You need to communicate clearly. Whatever the fix is, whatever the stuck or the rut is, you need to communicate clearly so that the other person knows what really issue is. Most of the time you're not communicating, and there is a misalignment in the communication, and the whole problem is because of that. So some of you need to communicate your stand to the other person clearly so that you are on the same page. Let go the need to be right. Yes, some of you need to know that you cannot be right all the time. You need to maybe put your guards down and stop being defensive about things, and let the other person, try to understand the other person from a non-defensive place, and then put your point across. So that is something that you do, because here you have got communication also, and you have got your need to be right. So in this situation, to communicate properly becomes very important for us to resurrect the situation, to not let the situation go out of our hands, because that is causing the whole dud and the rut and the stuck. You have to break the ice. And how do we break the ice? By giving the other person chance to speak what they want. See from the higher perspective. Yes, higher perspective. So you need to see the situation from a higher perspective, instead of looking out a different way, a different route to go. You should rather look at the situation from a higher perspective. From higher perspective, you, like an eagle, you can be foresighted. The angels are basically asking you to be foresighted, to see if you continue to work in this way, where are you going to be in maybe next 1 year, 6 months, 5 years. So it's not that the path is not right, it's just that it is taking time. Why is it taking time? Because you are laying a solid foundation, okay? And laying the foundation of anything takes a lot of time, and the results are not as much visible. But that is what is needed to make the things that you are going on to build up on that really strong. Strong foundations are needed, keeps it grounded. Exactly what I told you when I started the reading, that maybe with the Pentacles thing, the progress looks very slow, but you are building up the solid foundations. So, but yes, with this Temperance in reverse, it's like, you are really running out of patience, and you are like, inner peace, when are you going to come, and the patience is running out, and you're finding it very difficult to trust the process or whatever the situation you have on your mind. But just have a heart. Great things take time. Great things take time, as they say, because foundations are being laid. So what do you really need to do in this situation? You need to take all your scattered focus back to your dreams and follow your dreams. Look out and reach out for the stars, okay? You are ready. You are prepped up to jump and chase your dreams big time. Whatever that is on your mind, dreams, goals, relationship, whatever, you are ready for it. You have in it to take it forward. It may take time, but you have it in you. So you are all ready to jump off the cliff and reach out for your dreams, your stars. Importantly, your blessings, okay? So it's like, this is very beautiful. Like, can you feel the magic here, guys? You are looking out of the window, seeing the stars. The background is dark blue, and here the background is dark blue, and Mother Mary is blessing you, okay? So if you can feel the magic, if you can see the magic, you believe the magic, you can see it, okay? So let me see, what is this Mother Mary card? What is she blessing you with? This is a bestowed blessings. All right. So this is 26. 6. A lot of harmony coming in. I think that it is being very difficult for you, because with this Temperance, something is almost like, dead, and it's like you're hoping against hope. It's like hoping against hope. That kind of a situation, which makes it really difficult for you to stay in that. And rightly, you are looking out to move out of it. But let's see but yes, you need to see the higher road, okay? Googles and Amazons were not built in a day. They took their pretty cool time to get up and running and be the success business that they are today, right? So patience. Let me read this out to you. I am offering you a spiritual gift now, the gift of heavenly blessings. Heavens are blessing you. Universe is supporting you. This blessing may come through a person, place, or a thing, or spring forth from within your own heart. You can if you get an inspiration from within, know that universe is birthing that inspiration. You can also look forward to, some kind of information. You can look forward to signs. Unfolding like a blooming rose. I ask that you trust me, because in receiving this blessing, things will change. So be open to receiving, not like, no, it's not going to happen with me, I don't see it. In that way, you just push the blessing that is coming your way. The changes are shedding off that which would hold you back from fully receiving my blessings. Things are changing in your life. Even though it is getting very difficult, hoping against hope kind of a thing, things are changing at the back end. My blessings ask you to trust and have courage as I help you leap into your divine fulfillment more swiftly than you could do on your own. So don't feel that you are alone. feel and believe that universe is behind pushing you and your dreams to your fulfillment. Okay, so get away from your own way. Don't let that mind take the best of you and force you into not believing things and believing magic. Believe in yourself, believe in magic. Okay, so that is, and for sure, if you can feel the magic of this card, blessing, you are being blessed. Nothing gets beautiful than this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the reading, if it resonates with you, do like, share and subscribe. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you again. Till then, take good care of yourself, guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.